Sometimes, all it takes is the right tool to transform your entire cooking experience. These incredible kitchen gadgets are designed to upgrade your kitchen instantly, helping you cook smarter, save effort, and get better results without extra hassle. Links to all products are in the description below. Keep snacks, cereal, and frozen foods fresh with ease. These 12 reusable bag sealers slide across any bag to lock out air and moisture. Color-coded sizes make sealing small snack packs or large frozen veggies simple. They're dishwasher safe, freezer friendly, and perfect for meal prep or portioning. Compact, safe, and eco-friendly, these clips make stale food a thing of the past. Turn any door into instant storage. This 9-tier pantry organizer holds spices, jars, and even household essentials, making the most of small spaces. Strong metal shelves keep items secure, so nothing falls while you grab what you need. No tools or drilling required, just hang it over the door and start organizing. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or bedrooms, it brings order to even the trickiest corners. Grill, air fry, bake, roast, or dehydrate, all in one countertop cooker. This smokeless indoor grill reaches up to 510 degrees Fahrenheit to give steaks and burgers perfect sear marks without filling your kitchen with smoke. The digital touch controls and glass lid make cooking simple, letting you check progress without lifting the lid. Hot air circulates evenly for crispy results with little to no oil. Cleanup is easy with removable, dishwasher-safe parts, making it a hassle-free kitchen powerhouse. Bring the backyard grill indoors. This 6-in-1 indoor grill and air fryer sears, crisps, roasts, bakes, broils, and even dehydrates, all on your countertop. The smart thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, so steaks, chicken, and burgers come out perfectly every time. Cyclonic air gives authentic grill marks without smoke, and the XL capacity handles family-sized meals with ease. Cleanup is simple, and you get all the flavor with less fat. Your kitchen, your rules. Movie night just got upgraded. This 6-quart stovetop popcorn maker pops a big, fluffy batch in under 5 minutes. The stainless steel pot spreads heat evenly, while the built-in spinner keeps kernels from burning. It works on any stovetop, including induction, and the fun colors make it a stylish kitchen addition. Cleanup is simple, so you can focus on snacking and enjoying every buttery bite. Take control of your cooking like a pro. This glass oil sprayer delivers a fine, even mist, letting you season salads, air fry, or drizzle without using too much oil. The built-in filter prevents clogs, and the anti-drip trigger keeps your hands and counters clean. Its ergonomic design makes spraying effortless, while the 200-milliliter bottle is easy to refill and perfect for everyday use. Healthy meals and precise flavor are just a squeeze away. Start your mornings with style and perfect toast. This retro toaster browns a single slice just the way you like it, crispy outside, soft inside. Its simple controls make it easy to get consistent results every time. Compact and charming, it fits neatly on any countertop without taking up much space. A quick, reliable way to turn ordinary bread into a golden breakfast treat. Upgrade your drinks with a touch of elegance. This countertop ice ball maker creates crystal clear spheres that melt slowly, keeping your whiskey or cocktails perfectly chilled. In just 40 minutes, you get 4 flawless ice balls, and it can make over 140 a day for continuous use. One-touch operation and a self-cleaning cycle make it effortless to use and maintain. Serve drinks that look as good as they taste with ice that impresses every time. Say goodbye to guesswork with every cup. This electric glass kettle brews tea and coffee at the perfect temperature with 6 one-touch presets. The built-in stainless steel infuser lets you steep loose leaves or bags for rich, full flavor. Its cordless design and 360-degree swivel base make pouring effortless, while the keep warm function holds your drink for hours. A sleek glass body and easy clean interior make it as convenient as it is stylish. Breakfast just got a fun upgrade. This cordless Crepe Maker lets you whip up thin, golden crepes in minutes, right at your counter. The dipping plate and spatula help spread batter perfectly every time, so your crepes look like they came from a restaurant. Compact and portable, it's easy to store and brings crepe making to any kitchen or brunch. Comes with a recipe guide so you can try sweet or savory creations without the guesswork. Ice cream and slushies just became your new favorite hobby. This 6-in-1 maker whips up soft serve, sorbet, slushies, and even frozen cocktails in minutes. Its quick freeze technology keeps everything at the perfect temperature, so every treat is smooth and creamy. Simply choose a preset, pour in your mix, and watch it work automatically. With a 1.7 quart capacity, you can make enough frozen fun for friends or family without any fuss. Cooking just got way simpler. This 6-quart multi-cooker lets you pressure cook, slow cook, saute, or keep food warm, all in one pot. The touchscreen controls make it easy to adjust time and temperature without guessing. Its ceramic nonstick pot means food comes out clean, and cleanup is a breeze. Auto steam release and built-in safety features keep you confident while cooking for family meals or weekend feasts. Chopping vegetables just got a serious upgrade. This 5-in-1 electric chopper slices, dices, chops, and shreds in seconds, so you don't have to wrestle with knives. Its large feed chute handles whole ingredients, and the stable base keeps it from sliding while you work. With sharp stainless steel blades and a powerful motor, it can process hundreds of pounds per hour, perfect for busy kitchens or big meals. Cleanup is simple with included brushes, so you spend more time cooking and less time scrubbing. Your mornings just got a serious upgrade. This espresso machine pulls cafe-quality shots in seconds with precise temperature control for rich, balanced flavor. The steam wand automatically textures milk for creamy microfoam, perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. Compact yet powerful, it uses smart pre-infusion to bring out every note in your coffee. With consistent dose control, every cup tastes just right, like a professional barista made it. Smoothies just got truly portable. This cordless blender lets you blend, twist, and take your drink anywhere without being tied to a counter. 3 smart programs handle smoothies, ice crushing, or general blending perfectly with just one button. The lightweight vessel detaches easily, so you can sip straight from it using the built-in lid and handle. Powerful enough to crush ice yet compact, it keeps your healthy drinks quick and convenient on the go. 2 meals, 1 appliance, no waiting around. This dual basket air fryer lets you cook 2 different dishes at the same time, perfectly timed. Big drawer for mains, smaller one for sides or snacks, all with presets for fries, chicken, veggies, and more. Rapid air technology gives crispy results with up to 90% less fat than traditional frying. Pair it with the app for recipes and step-by-step guidance, making cooking easier and more fun. Seasoning has never been this effortless. This rechargeable pepper grinder lets you add fresh flavor with just one hand. Twist to choose your perfect coarseness, from fine dust to chunky flakes, while the built-in LED lights up your dish for precise seasoning. A large transparent container holds plenty of spice, so you refill less often. It's sleek, easy to clean, and keeps your countertop neat while you cook. Perfect rice shouldn't feel like a guessing game. This compact cooker handles it for you with smart settings that adjust heat and timing automatically. You can make everything from white rice to oatmeal and mixed grains with just a button press. The non-stick inner pot keeps rice fluffy and makes cleanup quick. With a clear display and keep warm function, your food stays ready whenever you are. No cords, no limits, just smooth mixing anywhere you want. This cordless hand mixer lets you move freely around your kitchen without being stuck near an outlet. Multiple speed settings handle everything from gentle stirring to whipping cream in seconds. A soft start feature prevents splashes, so your counter stays clean while you mix. It even stands upright on its own, keeping your workspace neat between uses. Drying dishes shouldn't leave your counter soaked. This smart dish rack channels water straight into the sink with a swivel spout you can turn any direction. The surface spreads out moisture so it dries faster and avoids messy residue. Plates, utensils, and even delicate glasses each get their own secure spot without scratching. You get a sturdy, clean setup that keeps everything organized while your dishes air dry. Mornings move faster when your toaster keeps up. This smart toaster lets you tap and choose exactly how you want your bread, from lightly golden to extra crispy. Wide slots handle everything from thick slices to bagels without squeezing or uneven toasting. Built-in modes adjust the heat for different foods, so you get better texture every time. And when you're done, the removable crumb tray makes cleanup quick and effortless. Your pantry just got a serious upgrade. This bamboo food container keeps your dry goods neat, fresh, and easy to grab. The large capacity means fewer refills, while the airtight build helps lock in flavor and keep moisture out. A magnetic lid snaps shut securely, but stays open while you scoop, making daily use smooth and mess-free. You even get labels and a long-handled spoon, so everything stays organized and perfectly portioned. Cooking feels different when the pot does the work for you. This smart multi-cooker stirs, shreds, and cooks automatically, so you don't have to stand there mixing. It can saute and brown first, then switch to simmer on its own, giving you rich flavor without extra steps. With multiple presets, you just pick your meal and let it handle the rest. The large capacity feeds the whole family, and cleanup is quick with its easy, non-stick design. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.